To get information about new products, subscribe to our channel now, because we keep bringing you videos of new products with complete information. And yes, if you want to get the notification of our video first, then press the bell icon for this. Definitely click on the option of all. So, let's start the video.
I bet it takes forever to read your temperature, doesn't it?
No, it takes just about a minute.
Well, honey, how many more minutes do you think Grandma and Grandpa have left to live?
Here lies Gerald, who perished from waiting too long for his temperature reading.
Ah, the Bridge Club's gonna love this.
I can't even read it to see if it's accurate. Check it. This is ThermBot. It's smaller, faster, and smarter than any other kind of thermometer.
You just plug it into your phone or your power brick. It works right out of the box. It's totally contactless. It measures 100% clinical accuracy in less than 1 single second.
You can toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius. And it even has an easy-to-read screen.
It's small enough to fit on a keychain or in your pocket.
But why is it the smartest?
Because inside ThermBot, there's an embedded BLE chip that automatically integrates with existing wellness and health tracking apps. And it also integrates with protocols like IFTTT.
So it transforms a regular thermometer into an IoT device?
Hey Kickstarter, with your help, my grandkids can finally join us in the 21st century. Say goodbye to clunky, slow, and dumb.